everybody, Donovan here, and I'm playing this game called Railway Nation. Yeah, and I already have a count on this, and yeah. You wait to how far I got on this. Well, not that far. I do have the railway track. I have another railway track, and you can see that's it right there. And there's a Mallard, as you can tell by that. And this is another video. This is part 1 of this. It's part 1 of this video. I might do a part 2, but if it gets viewed nicely. So yeah. You'll see. Yep. Train driver's license. You can increase your profits if your engine delivers raw materials, wood, and picks up proceeds. And yeah, as you can see there. Yep. Edit scroll draw. Yep. And we'll deliver wheat. Yeah. And yeah. This is a really good game, and yeah, you do own this, and yeah. Deliver the wood to the sawmill. Here. And buy that. Yeah, and you have to buy the carriages I don't have. Tap on the cargo off its boards. Departure. My new squadron is set. And yeah. It's off on the tracks. Soon. Blah 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 blah. And yeah, it clearly clacks down that track there. As you can see. There it is. So yeah, see you on this one here, so I'll see you later. Bye bye!